Okay, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. It is a beautiful freaking day out here in Las Vegas, and I wish you could be here with me, seriously. This is my Markets a Look Ahead, my newest segment of Markets a Look Ahead, and we're just going to have a lovely time. We have a few things to talk about. I want to put a perspective on what is likely to happen this week and how we can, well, capitalize on it. Isn't that what this is all about? Let's start off with this. We still got this ship wedged in the Suez Canal, and if you're not paying attention to it, well, they have no idea when they're going to free it. It's going to stay stuck there. Imagine my surprise. I explained this to you already last week. That ship will remain wedged in the canal until they're done. And I'm not talking about moving the ship. They can move the ship at any time they want to. They're going to leave the ship wedged there for several reasons. Number one is to keep the price of crude oil higher. They're already diverting tankers, which is going to delay delivery of crude oil. Crude oil is going up. Okay, so period, the end. That's the game they are playing. Nothing, people, is what it seems in this environment, and you know that. So, number one, I expect that they will keep the price of crude oil high through any and every possible mechanism that they can come up with. Excuse me. And things you can't even dream about. How many of you would have imagined they would wedge a ship in the Suez Canal and tell you they have no idea when they can clear it? Can't make this stuff up if you try to, but that's the case here. There will be more attacks on oil facilities around the world, pipelines, whatever they got to do will be used as a ploy to prop up crude, and that's going to boost the energy sector, that's going to boost the financial sector and pull the market up. Two more factors this week that are tremendous. Number freaking one is that 10-year yield. If you've noticed over the past week or so, the 10-year yield has been stable. The market is adjusting to the 10-year yield where it is. If they manage to keep the 10-year yield stable, and this is easily done, the Fed will get in here, they're going to buy more debt. Imagine my surprise. If they keep that 10-year yield stable, or if it drops, major positive for the market. Now, the dollar. This dollar strength, to me, I can't imagine how it's continuing or how it will continue, and it will flip around at one particular time by design as well. So we have this situation with crude oil. You know how that's going to play out, period. You got the 10-year yield. Watch it. And the dollar. Watch the dollar. People, if you don't know how to do this, it's right on my website, traderslovelychoice.net. Top of the second page, 2 links to real-time indexes. And you can follow crude oil and you can follow the dollar. You must watch these dynamics play out. Okay. So with that said, I'm going to go out on a limb here. And I'm going to tell you that stocks will finish the week higher than they open on tomorrow morning, as a matter of fact. But watch what they're going to do. Watch what they're going to pull off. It's just, look, to me, I laugh. I sit here and I laugh my rear end off because it's an open book. We know what they're going to do, period, the end. It's a game. Nothing is real and nothing is what it seems. Honestly, look, the backbone of this, the root cause of what we're seeing is actions of central banks. They're not done. I'm going to keep saying this until I can't say it anymore. They will keep the global economy shut down, shut off supply routes, block canals, whatever they got to do to keep the economy from doing anything. That's the other reason why they blocked the canal. This is causing a major supply disruption, okay, which is keeping pressure on the global economy. Duh. I mean, do they think we're that stupid? Do they really think we're that stupid? I believe they do. Okay, but we understand what's going on. They will not allow the economy to expand or open up. Trust me on this one. New variants are going to show up. New viruses are going to show up. They're going to tell you all kinds of things, true or not, and they're going to keep you in a state of fear. But it's not working. People are starting to break out of this this joke, this charade. Things are getting worse. Things are not getting better. With regard to the virus. I gotta whisper it. No one can hear it. Let's keep that really quiet. So this is the game they're playing with us, and it's not going to stop. It's not going. As a matter of fact, count on it getting worse. Count on it getting worse. And to me, that's opportunity. I'm going to tell you something else real quick. We got a bunch of economic news that's coming out next week. It's all going to be terrible. It's going to be terrible, but you can count on the mainstream channels telling you how great it is, because it could have been worse. It could have been worse. You can't make that up either. Oh, people, we got this abysmal number, but it could have been worse, so don't worry about it. That's what they're going to do. Now, last thing I want to talk to you about. I don't know how many of you are aware of this, but you should be. Goldman Sachs, the Wall Street super bank, is now getting caught up in a pump and dump scheme of some major companies. So let's see how this plays out too. How many arrests are you expecting? Because this is the truth. Goldman Sachs is rigging the market along with all the other Wall Street banks here. Goldman Sachs is undoubtedly involved in a pump and dump scheme. They've been doing this since time immemorial. There will not be a single arrest, not one. Of course, they're going to pay a fine. That's a given, but it's already priced in. So again, another Wall Street super bank caught up in a scandal. Really? You can't imagine how I'm so shocked. How can it be that a Wall Street institution gets caught rigging the market yet again, and no one will get in trouble? Oh no. You think any upper level management person, they're going to say, oh, I had no idea. It was the traders. They were doing it. Duh. This is what they do. This look, we've never seen anything like this before in the history of the world, and we're never going to again. This is a moment of history, and you're living it. But again, there's opportunity everywhere, people, and you know that. And I will keep you on top of this market, upside down, backwards, and sideways. You know what to do. You know what to do from every angle, and I got you covered. I will never let you down. I got your backs. You know that. Period. You will not lose on my watch. You will not lose on my watch. It ain't happening. All right, with that said, people, I'm going to let you go. I covered a lot of things for you here. All the important points. You know what to expect. Let's see how this plays out during the week. I will, as usual, keep you ahead of the curve. There's no doubt about it. This guy here loves you a lot. Please share the video, and I will see you in the morning. I'm looking forward to it.